Welcome back to my channel. This is Therese. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe after watching the video. Today I'm going to talk about matembele. Matembele is one of the vegetables that it's known for poor people or people that don't have money. It's cheap. You can actually grow it in your backyard, but I love it. It's sweet potato leaf, but this is one of the ways that I make it, so stick around and find out how I actually make it. Do some tweaks here and there to make it the way you want to make it. So this is one of the ways I make it. The main ingredient, matembele, I'm fortunate enough to have a store that sells it now far from my house, and it's fresh. It's too much work, but I love the freshness. I'm cutting the stems away from the leaf. I just like the leaf. Sometimes I leave the little stems. It's crunchy, but you can cut it and see the bad parts. You can just throw them away. After finish cutting, separating the stems from the leaf that I'm going to use, I will cut it to my liking, usually just big chunks. It's okay. Some people like it super cut, but I just don't mind. And when I'm done cutting, I am going to go wash it. Ali trying to get my attention like always, but anyways. So after I'm done cutting it, I'm going to rinse it out. It's already been washed, but I'm going to just rinse it out to get the dirt and whatnot out of it. And after that, I will leave it in a strainer. Meanwhile, I'm prepping the pot that I'm going to use, and the other ingredient that I'm going to use on this dish is going to be some green onions, some shallots, garlic, tomato, and I'm going to have some chicken bouillon, black pepper, and seasoning salt, and red palm oil, mafuta ngazi. I'm gonna put a pot, warm it up, and then put the oil in it. And after that, be careful with the red palm oil. It can burn you. It get heated really quick, and you can just put your vegetable in there. After like 5 minutes of cooking it, don't put too much oil because the matembele soaks up the oil, so don't put too much. Then I'll put all my dry ingredients, stir, and put all my other ingredients, the rest of them, and just stir it and just mix it and leave it. That's how it looks like. I didn't add any more oil after the first oil, and just cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, just keep on checking it, making sure that it doesn't burn at the bottom. And then I'm going to add some water, not too much water, like 2 cups of water. That way I can just let it cook. And as you can see, it's turning out good already. And there is my water going in right now. Like I said, 2 to 3 cups is fine. I didn't have too much matembele to start with. It looked so like too much. So my bay leaf, and then I like ginger, and then a pepper, just for taste. I don't like to cut it or anything, just for taste. I'm the one who likes pepper in the house. I'm going to turn off the heat, cover it, and that's all. You can see I already made some fufu. It's smelling so good. The matembele, of course. And right here I have some fish. I actually fry a tilapia, so I'm going to enjoy that. Have you ever tried matembele? So comment down below and let me know if you ever try and how do you make it. Check out my other videos on cooking Congolese food my way. This is one of the ways that I make matembele. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my fufu and matembele.